Debbie Drum from Automate and Monetize. We all love Canva, but it has its limitations. For one thing, it doesn't have ready-made mazes we can add to our designs and creations. We need to import an image of a maze into Canva. But where do we get these mazes from? I mean, who wants to sit around creating mazes all day? Not me. But there are millions of people who want to do mazes. Sure, you can hire someone to create mazes for you, or you can create a maze in a matter of minutes to start to sell today. In fact, you can create entire books in minutes. I recommend both the hand-drawn mazes and the instant maze generator. Mazes are so easy to create with both of these tools, it's literally point-click magic. Once you create the maze in either of the two programs, you can bring the image over easily into Canva. Alternatively, you can use either maze generating programs to create your entire books without Canva, but it's entirely up to you and personal preference. I personally know one of the creators of this amazing tool. His name is Naranjan, and he is awesome. Him and his team knows what content creators and sellers need to make money quickly, and he provides the essential automated tools to do that. Now let's go and see a demo of how the hand-drawn mazes and instant maze generator works with Canva. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to Canva and I'm going to create an 8.5 by 11 blank canvas. So now I'm just going to have fun and create a little theme for my maze. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to Pixabay where I can get free images. I'm going to put puppy. So I actually did a search for dog clip art and I kind of like this one. So I'm going to copy this over and paste it in Canva. So I'm going to just do something like that. And then I'm going to give some direction here. Help this puppy find her water. Okay. And now if we want to just go ahead and find the water bowl. That's a good one. These are all in the public domain, so you can use them freely. So let's just hold that off to the side there. And now we need our maze. So we obviously cannot create a maze inside of Canva. We're going to have to go and create that maze somewhere else. So let's do it inside of Instant Maze Generator. So I'm just going to go and very quickly head over to the QuickBook Creator, and I'm going to select a complex rectangle maze, but as you can see, I can do a triangle, hexagon, octagon, circular maze. So just for example purposes, I'm just going to do 5 rectangular mazes, and they're going to be complex. We can delete that, and then we could make our maze maybe a little bit bigger. And then what I'm going to do is just go ahead and take a screenshot of the maze. I'm going to copy it, go back to my Canva design, and that's the start of the maze. And this is the end of the maze here. If you wanted to put some directional text like start here and here, you can do that as well. But this is the easiest way to make mazes inside of Canva. So I'm going to show you 2 other maze designs you can use. If we go ahead and just copy that, we'll delete that. Now I'm going to go ahead over to Pixabay again, and I'm going to get a free image of this mermaid here, and I'm going to save it to my downloads. I'm going to go back to the Instant Maze Generator. I'm going to upload the mermaid that I just downloaded. So I can do something really fun with this image here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert it. And then I'm going to turn this beautiful mermaid into a maze. And you'll be able to see her there. And now we could even make her smaller. And then that could be our new maze. So we can make any maze from an image as well with the Instant Maze Generator. Now I'm going to show you one more way you can make a maze. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I reply to all my comments. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and let's continue on with the video. I'm going to head over to hand-drawn mazes, access my account, and view the default collection here. And as you can see, we've got hand-drawn mazes, which are super awesome here. I mean, we don't have to sit around and create this. We have, look at this one. It's pretty complex, at least for maybe a child. And then what we can do is we could grab a screenshot of this hand-drawn maze, copy it to our clipboard, and then bring it over to Canva. But you can make full, complete books using the maze generator, or you can do it in Canva. You can do it in PowerPoint if you want. Okay, so I might just move these things around just based on where the maze starts and where it ends. And that looks great. Maybe we want to move that up, bring it forward. So as you can see, we could do all these different kinds of mazes and bring them over to any platform, just like Canva, that we want to ultimately create our book and printables in. Thanks for watching.
Debbie's 5-minute product review.
To get my exclusive bonuses for all of these softwares, just go ahead and click the link in the description. My exclusive bonus for hand-drawn mazes are 300 vector images. You can see right here. They're beautiful, and then you could use them right in your mazes to pretty them up and make them ready to sell. Check out my other videos on the Instant Maze Generator and my other bonuses that you can only get with my link, and those will be found in the description.